Alright guys, you are welcome to Amazing Creative Digital Network Studio. I'm your friend Akade Sunday Kende, aka Mr. Ask. Okay, in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a Facebook page in case Facebook has been restricting you from creating a new page. Then in this video guide you'll be able to learn how you can create a Facebook business page. Okay guys, why should Facebook restrict you from creating another page? Why should Facebook restrict you from creating another page? Number one thing you need to know is that Facebook will restrict you when you are going against their community guidelines. And why should Facebook restrict you? Facebook may detect unusual activities on your account, which may arise you from creating another page. Another reason why Facebook should resist you from creating another business page is that maybe Facebook is having issues, they are having glitches. Facebook app is having glitches, or Facebook entirely they are having glitches. So whenever they are having glitches like that, you may be restricted from creating another Facebook business page. Also, Facebook may restrict you from creating another business page when you just created a page. If you just created a page without giving it more intervals, Facebook will restrict you from creating another page. Let's think, for instance, assuming you created a page 1 month ago or some weeks ago and you are trying to create another page, Facebook will detect your account as an unusual activities. They will suspect your account, because Facebook wants to make sure that all their users they are protected. So because of that, they will restrict you from creating another Facebook business page. There are many reasons why Facebook should restrict your account from creating another business page. Another one is when the name of the business you want to create a page for is what is going against the community standard. They will not allow you to create the page for the name. So you need to be careful about your account so that your account will not be blocked. So that your account will not be restricted from creating Facebook page further. So how can you get rid of these issues? How can you get rid of this issue? How can you create more pages for your business account? In this video guide, you will learn how you can create more Facebook pages without facing the issues of restrictions. I will teach you how you can create more pages, more business page without the issues of restriction. So in this video guide, you'll be able to So guys, in this video I will teach you how you can override the restriction error message and create more Facebook pages by following my video guide step by step. I assure you that if you are able to follow what I will be teaching you in this video, if you are able to follow it step by step, then you'll be able to create more pages, as many pages as you like, for your client or for your business. Alright guys, I will be walking you through my Facebook page. This is one of my old accounts. So this account has already been restricted, so I cannot advertise on this account. So I just want to use this account for an instance for you, so you'll be able to understand what we are doing in this training. So guys, I'll be trying to create a new page from this account. So let me walk you through how to create a page. Just click on this button from your account. Click on that page, on that hamburger icon. Then select more. Then go to then go to page and click on it. Okay guys, this is all my Facebook page account. Because this my old account has already been restricted from advertising asset, from Facebook advertising asset. So all these pages cannot be used to create a Facebook advert. So I just want to use this account for an example in this video. So just hit on create new page from the left side. So click on create new page. Okay guys, I want to add okay guys, let me use Anis Pro. Anis Pro as the business name. There it is available. Then the category should be services. Should be just let me choose let me choose another categories. Let me use media, entertainment. Entertainment website. Okay, let's leave the bow. Okay guys, so I've entered the bio, though it is not compulsory anyway. So just scroll down. Please ensure that you click outside of the box. Then you scroll down and click on create page, and let's see whether Facebook will allow us to create page. You can see this contest. You can see what is written. You can see what they show us. You can see that you have created too many pages. At least you can see it. That you have created too many pages. So because of this, we will not be able to create new pages. In case you are having an issue like this, so there's no problem. I'll be showing you how you can be able to override that. How you'll be able to override that error and create new pages for your account. So guys, follow me step by step. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel now, so you'll be able to enjoy more of my content about how you can make money online, how you can create a Facebook, Instagram advert. Okay guys, thank you. Follow me. So I'll be teaching you how you can create more pages in this video. So guys, in order to create a new Facebook business page without the restrictions I just showed you, so you need two things. Number one is you need a VPN app. And the another thing you need is you need a VPN browser. So in this video guide, I will recommending you to those apps I will be using in this video guide. Just follow me. So just log into the Play Store app while we look for the app we would be using. So guys, this is one of the VPN app we need to download from your Play Store. Free VPN, and the other one is the browser, which is the Kiwi browser. and the other one is the Kiwi browser. With these two apps, you'll be able to create a Facebook business page without any restrictions. So guys, just go to your Play Store, to your Google Play Store account, or if you are watching this video through an iPhone, you can quickly log into your Apple Play Store, to your Apple Store. So search for free VPN. So this is the VPN I am using in this video. So this is the VPN I'm using. Just make sure that you download this app on your phone. Then the second app we'll be using to create a new Facebook business page is the Kiwi browser. This is the second app we'll be using to create a Facebook business page. So ensure that you download these two tools in order to be able to create the Facebook business page account. Okay guys, so now first thing we need to do is to ensure that we enable our VPN app. So just log into your VPN app. Once you have downloaded it, just log into your VPN app. Okay, so connect to the server. Then also go to the Kiwi browser. Once you have downloaded the two tools that we are using in this video, log into your Facebook account from the Kiwi browser. So log in to your Facebook account. Guys, once you have logged into your Facebook account, just go to business.facebook.com/create. business.facebook.com/create. Just go to the page. Then you have to scroll down till you find choose. Just click on choose. Then click on Facebook page. So click on Facebook page. So now this is where we will be able to create another page for our account. So just tap on create a page. In order for us to get rid of this issue, so we need to enable a desktop mobile view. So just go to these three icons. Just click on it and select desktop view. By doing this, we will get rid of this message. So from there, we'll be able to create our new Facebook business page from here. So now what we have to do is to enter the business name, the Facebook business name, which is PhonePe. PhonePe Internet Services. PhonePe Internet Services. PhonePe Internet. Okay, I think it's okay like this. PhonePe. It's like this, PhonePe. And let's enter the category name. Category name should be telecommunication or internet service provider This one is okay. Telecommunication component. Okay, then write a bio for the page. Okay, it's okay. Then click outside of the box. Then you scroll down and select create a page. As you can see, guys, you can see that we have created a new page. Initially, when we wanted to create a new page without the VPN, without the tools I asked you to use, we are unable to create the page. But now that we have used those tools, now we are able to create the page successfully. Okay, guys, now you can see that we have created a new page using these simple steps I have shown you in this video. I believe this video will help you, and if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also share this tutorial to your loved ones. Thank you, guys. I love you. I remain your friend Akade Sandikende, aka Mr. Ask.